What's up everybody, welcome to Simon Says Right. This is the BS4 version of the Himalayan, and this is probably the 2017 model or the late 2017 model. So before we get into today's topic, let's get on the bike and start riding. So I got an opportunity to ride this bike for a week, and I'm planning to make a comprehensive review of this bike. Now I would need help from you guys. Now what I want from you guys is to send me questions of what would you like to know about this bike. Now if you're planning to buy this bike, or if you're keen to know how this bike performs, like probably because it's new to the market, not many people have it. So I want you guys to send out questions to me and ask me what do you want to know more about this bike. Wow, I didn't know this place existed. This is nice. Oh, so what you can do is, in the comment section of this video, you can send out your questions. You can ask me whatever you want. Also, you can send your questions to my Instagram account. Well, my Instagram name or account name is same as my YouTube channel name. The name will be on the screen right now, so you can send your questions over there, and feel free to ask whatever you want regarding the bike. Okay, so yeah, so that's the plan. I just want to know what you guys want to know about this bike, and probably I can, collate those questions and answer them in the review video, the final review video which I will be making, so that it makes more sense, right? Like eventually if I don't answer your questions in the review video, then what kind of review video that would be? So I want you guys to send me out your questions, ask me whatever you want about this bike, and I'll try to answer them. Or like, if you start sending me your questions now, even if I would have not thought of doing that particular thing, like for example, if you guys want to know the top speed of the bike, and if I didn't have time to do the top speed run, then I would be aware that okay, guys need to know the top speed, so I will go out and try to see how fast this bike can go. So those kind of things can be done beforehand, like before I return the bike. So yeah, that's about it. Don't ask the questions in some other video. Make sure that you leave your comments, your questions in the comment section of this video, and also you can ping me in Instagram, and I will try to answer them with most honesty as far as possible. Like, not honesty, of course I'm honest, I'm not sure if I'm technically right always, so I'll make sure of that and try to answer your questions. So yeah, that's about it. It's time for me to sign off. See you guys in the next video, which probably would be the review video of this bike. Until then, be safe, ride safe. Bye bye.